Hi, Amy Jo here. I'm always getting questions about names. How do I get associated with my name? A lot of people were adopted. Some of my clients are telling me they were not only adopted once, they were adopted twice, and that each time the new parents changed their name. And so they have a birth name, they have an adopted, first adopted name, they have the second adopted name, and they just really don't know how to handle, and they've had a lot of divorces and things like that. So there's a lot of names that can be associated with them. If you were married in a church, you spiritually took that name, so that name can still remain associated to you, especially if you have children. If you have children from that marriage, then that name can remain with you. So you'll want to work on connecting all of those names together. The wording is relatively easy. You just want to say, I state your name the way you go by. I, for me, Amy Jo Ellis, place myself into a full court of atonement with, and now go back and put in the birth name and any other names using your full name. Place all of you. I place myself in a full court of atonement with me as this person, with me as that name, with me as this name, as me as all of these names. And then to round it up, you say, I ask to correct all conflicts between us, and I ask to connect the power of the birth name to the name I choose to use now, and any portion of the name I choose to use now. And so that's as simple as it is. It's just going to connect it all together and wrap this whole thing up. So once again, I place myself, the name you're using now, into a full court of atonement with the original name, the next name, the next name, the next name, this husband you're married to, that husband you're married to, whatever. I place us all in a full court of atonement. I ask to correct all conflicts between us, and I ask to connect the power of my birth name to the name I'm choosing to use now. And that's how you do it for yourself. If you have somebody that you are working with and they have a lot of names, you can try to do this for them. And you state your name again, always start with myself. So I place this person in a full court of atonement with this person, this person, this person, all of the names they've gone by. And I asked to correct all conflicts between them, and I asked to put the power of the birth name, connect the power of the birth name to the name they're choosing to use now. So that's it's just that simple. I'll try to put the wording in the link, someplace in the comments below. Should be this simple wording, but that's how you do it, is just to correct all conflicts between them, placing all the names. And then once you do that, you just use whatever portion of your name you choose to use. I use all of my names because when I say them, I feel stronger and stronger. The more we say our name, the better it is for us. So that's the reason I continue to use all of the names, even though I don't go by that. I like it. It's kind of like my generator is to get my engine running. Hope this helped you out. See you later.